Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Now this short video, I'm going to show you how to replace the blade and the foil for this Panasonic shaver. This is actually a 3-blade shaver. And I bought this blade replacement online. It's actually a third-party blade and foil. You can buy online easily, cheaply and affordably. And this is an instruction how to remove it. And we'll show you how to do it. Now, this is your first time watching my video, remember subscribe to my channel. Your viewing helps the YouTube algorithm to continue to promote my video. Now, you see there's a hole here already because I forget to oil it for too long already. You need to oil this blade at least once a year or once every 6 months. Otherwise, this is going to happen. You're going to injure yourself. Okay? So the removal is really straightforward. You just pull it out and push it back. There you go, the new one. And then this is the foil. There's a notch here. It fits into here. It sits in here nicely. So make sure you don't push it too hard. Just push it into place and sit nicely. Right? Even if it's third party, it works well. They do not have any sharp edges. And once you have installed, remember to oil it. You must oil it. 3 to 4 dots of oil. It comes with a package. Okay? It comes with a package. The oil is actually clear. If it's turned yellowish, then I think the oil is bad already. New oil should be clear, or you can buy signal oil to do it. Done. Easily. I hope my video helps you. Remember, subscribe to my channel for more upcoming video. Until then, see you in my next video. Bye-bye.